Then look what happens to this offense. The forward sets a pick on this man as the guards break at the same time. One to here, the other to here.
Don't you let him talk your ears off. You can go home anytime you want to.
Honey, is something burning? The center cuts. Sets a pick on this man as the other forward cuts across the baseline here.
I'm not even cooking anything.
Then find something. Stay with me now. It's very simple.
Pop would talk long into the night about his two favorite subjects, basketball and me. But the very style of basketball that would have people screaming and jumping out of their seats 20 years later put some of the top coaches in the country to sleep.
Speed and execution, otherwise a little bit better player. You take Pete, for instance. Right here in my house, I've got the guard of the future. He can execute at the blink of an eye and leave the defense scratching their heads. Of course, a play like this is a moot point if you don't have 5 players on the court that can make it work. I mean, otherwise, you're just spitting in the wind. You got me?
Dr. Pepper, 2. Who's it, Mark?
Yeah, that's pretty good there, little Pete. Yeah.
I'm teaching Moose. I'm gonna get a college scholarship.
Moose?
Yeah, Moose.
Well, he's off to a good start. Media attention's the name of the game. He's playing for the best team in the state.
Now, who might that be, Mr. Carl?
Myron, don't start with me. You know good and well.
Yeah, darn right, I know.
Your darn fool ideas.
What?
He thinks we should get the Lions to play Cleveland. He says they're the best team in the state.
The colored team?
Yeah, ain't that a screamer?
Let's do it.
No, that's just a little dream there, little Pete, that's all.
Are they the best or not?
Yes, sir. There is.
Once we know the road we're on. Meet your lab